fish sandwich with a fantastic special sauce. Let's make it together. Stay tuned with Where is my knife?
To make this sandwich, we need a fish with less fish bone. Now make a fillet out of the fish and remove any extra fat which are located on the besides. Make it into 3 or 4 equal pieces and do it peacefully. We don't want to make the fish sad. Add salt and black pepper. Do this to both sides. Now cover it with cellophane and let it rest for some time. For the sauce, we need white flour, we need beer, we need to add it twice. And then mix it all until it gets this thick. Yeah, we're gonna mix it and mix it and mix. Look at the thickness. Now add spices. And then mix it again. If it needs, you can add more beer. It's incredible. Guys, check out the description for the list of the spices I added. And done. Let it rest for 15 minutes. And meanwhile, we are going to make the topping and the sauce at the same time. We need a red onion or a really small shallot, like when you want to dice them. Just dice them in a way that they have some small textures. Now it's time for the jalapeno. And then we need the lemon and pickles, which are the main cases. Pour them all into a deep bowl and add some mayonnaise. Now we can also add some vegetables. Let's chop the chive and dill into small pieces. Add it to the mixture. We need mustard, black pepper, salt, and oregano. Incredible. Mix this wonderful texture and see the beautiful outcome. Now bring out the fish and the mix out of the fridge. But don't forget to stirring the mix again. Now by using skewer dip, put the fish into the dip and yeah, you can just start frying them. You can serve this fish with any type of bread you want. Whatever your bread is, we need a layer of sauce, fried fish, cheese, fish again, cheese, sauce, and then the lid of the bread. Like father, like son. Oh my. Enjoy, everyone.
If you enjoyed this video, bon appetito and I'll catch you all next time.